Hi guys, my name is C. Maxwell from Maxim Multimedia and I welcome you to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to translate languages with Google Translator. Okay, if you are new to Google Translator, take this. Google Translator is a powerful web-based tool or resource which gives the user the opportunity to translate languages. That sounds interesting, right? Now let's get started. Yanko. To say, first, launch any web browser on your Windows platform. And I've got my Microsoft Edge already launched here, so I will bring it up. If you are on Android, you can download the Google Translate app from Google Play Store or App Store on your iPhone, okay? And you can also launch in a browser on your smartphone to follow this process. All right, I'll create a new tab here, and in the address box, I'll enter translate.google.com. Press enter to load the website. Good, now we are on Google Translator. Google Translator is capable of detecting languages typed in this text field, which will be translated into any selected language in this field. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our first test. And I'll type here is our type test, and as you can see, everything I've typed in here has been translated into French. The selected language here is French. Okay, interestingly, Google Translator can also teach you to pronounce words and also teach you how to read the typed text. So if I click on this listing button here, my typed text will be read out for me. Okay, so if I go ahead and click on the listing button, my typed text will be read out for me.
Hi guys, my name is Maxi from Maxi Multimedia. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to translate languages with Google Translator.
Alright, and this is the French version of my typed text. So go ahead and click on the listen button.
Salut les gars, je m'appelle Maxi de Maxi Multimédia. Dans ce tutoriel vidéo, je vais vous apprendre à traduire des langues avec Google Translator.
Alright, click on Japanese to see how the text will look. So click on the listening button to read out the text in Japanese. Let me refresh the page.
こんにちは、MaxG マルチメディアの MaxG と申します。このビデオチュートリアルでは、Google タンズレーターを使用して言語を翻訳する方法を説明します。
Okay, let me try out a way. But unfortunately, Google Translator does not read out all your translated text for you. Okay, especially our local languages. Another interesting language is the Twi language, and this Twi translation says, "Hi guys, maintain the Maxi ofi Maxi Multimedia or video in kyerɛkyerɛ mu mɛkyerɛ wo sɛnea wɔde Google Translator bɛkyerɛ kasa ase." Guys, another interesting and important feature of Google Translate is that it can help the user to learn synonyms, where synonym basically means words or phrases which are nearest in meaning. Okay, so let's look at the pronunciation of synonym. Okay, so our typed word is synonym and the pronunciation
Synonym. Synonym.
okay. And as you can see down here, we've been given the definition of synonym, a word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase in the same language. For example, shirt is a synonym of clothes. Now let's look at the Twi translation. The Twi translation reads "Asɛmfua a ɛne ne ho di nse." So guys, that is the Twi meaning of the English word synonym. I will also try another word, multimedia.
Multimedia. Multimedia.
Okay. In the definition field here, it says of art, education, or etc. using more than one medium of expression or communication. So guys, this is how the Google Translation System is used to translate languages and also learn pronunciation and reading. All right. It makes fun, right? Do well and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell and leave all your comments and questions in the comment section, and I'll respond to all your comments.